The YAG laser is a kind of cosmetic laser commonly used for anti-aging skin treatments. It is considered non-ablative, meaning it penetrates the skin surface, and your skin tissue absorbs the energy. This machine is a cost-effective product of the YAG laser machine. You can achieve different functions by replacing different tips. 532 nanometers laser head targets superficial pigments like freckles, sunspots, and red tattoos, ideal for lighter skins. 1064 nanometers laser head penetrates deeper, treating melasma, dark tattoos, and deep pigmentation, suitable for all skin tones. Black doll head, used with carbon gel for carbon laser peel treatments. It cleanses, shrinks pores, reduces oil, and brightens skin. Therefore, YAG laser is also one of the indispensable machines for facial beauty. Additionally, YAG laser is also often used for laser hair removal because it has proven to be efficient at destroying the pigments in hair follicles. If you want to know more about YAG laser machines, please leave us a message.